Whoa. Test, 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 test. Test, 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 test. All right, we are live. Hello, everybody. It's Matt Chan live. This is my first live stream. Oh, 2 viewers. Okay, cool. Anyway, yeah, this is going to be me trading the futures market. Yeah, I'm going to record myself. Do this live stream. And I think it's going to help me. I think it's going to give me, I think the self-talk is going to be very good for, just for trading psychology. So I'm going to give it a shot, and looking forward to do more. So here it is. Nothing special. I have it on Quantar right here. Right now, the market is ranging, so I haven't put on a trade today, even though I was up last night, Globex section. And that's about 100 points right there, 100-point drop. You know, I wasn't paying attention to the market, but that was a good trade. That was a good trade. And then we're back in this 900, 21,900 area, just ranging. So kind of sucks when it ranges. It wasn't like yesterday when it was going up. It was easy to trade. Everything was just one direction. Now we're in the mid, so middle of the section. So I mean, it's a bullish retracement from this uptrend. See this uptrend here. I have a supply zone. I have a demand zone. We're just right in this EMA squeeze ranging. So we'll see what happens. You know, you gotta pay attention to those Globex traps. So if it goes up, I mean, if it goes down, I go long. If it goes up, I go short. I go down. So that was my market prep. So I got two zones here. Supply zone where there's a lot of selling. There's a lot of buying here. So I do plan on making some moves somewhere in between these two, depending on which way the market goes. I mean, right now, price is under VWAP. So when I see price under VWAP like this, usually go short, but not just yet. Usually try to wait, you know. Right now, we're 30 minutes to open. I gotta be patient. Gotta be patient. There was a lot of movement in gold today, or last night, or this morning, 4 o'clock. It was like a drop in gold, and then there was a drop here too. You know, we're looking for an opportunity. Market opens. See what we can get in. Just trying to see if we can just get out of this range, opening day range, which is this This is the range. So 30 minutes still open. Got my RSI settings right here. It's Linda Rask settings, and I just did it myself. So it's 4 and 10, I think. 4 and 10. That's the RSI settings I have set, and it's been working pretty well. I short when it gets up top right here. Then I buy at the bottom. So definitely do anticipate some sort of a drop. You never know. It's going to retrace. When it's in range like that, it gets really annoying. Could lose money. I have it's my XFA account here. This is my live funded trading account. I got another computer here. Working on another combine here. It's definitely that range. I don't really want to take a trade until I get more certainty. The market opens. It's just playing around with this. It's not fun. Not fun. We're looking for really good trade setups, and I'm doing a live stream. I think that will help me. Got this push downward. Looks like it's heading down. Kind of a risky play here because it's ranging. Sometimes it drops, and it drops like 50 points. You never know, or 20 points. So. Definitely want to catch it when it's dropping. I'm anticipating a short. Doing my analysis on the dollar and DXY, and it's been going down. So I think we should anticipate. Well, I mean, right now it's in the buy zone, so we should anticipate the market going down, which is what is happening right now. Strong bearish candle. Thinking about entering before it breaks. It's breaking right now. It's not a really good place for me to place a short. I mean, it's in range like that. trying to catch some sort of a bearish breakout so I can find a good place to short it. But it's going to keep ranging like this. It's going to be pretty tough. Pretty tough. We got about 20 minutes to open. Save. I'm gonna save this trade until maybe like 9:45. 9:45. See where it goes. There's a really nice drop before they opened. That's where I would want to take it. Touch at VWAP right here. It's a key point. Let's mark it. Definitely looks like there's more downward movement. I'll be a little bit more careful. Looks like it's going to continue downward, but it's in range. It's just going to bounce back up. It's definitely pushing downward more. Now I'm thinking about getting a good price. If I can, maybe if it comes back up to um, the 900s before open, that's where I would want to take my short. We don't know if it'll get there. It's definitely reaching down lower. So I want to be patient here. Patient. It's hitting that 500 EMA I got here. It's that purple line right here. I got on the 5-minute chart here. Seems like it's giving it some support. Up there on the 500 EMA. I also have. What else do I have? Sure. I think it might be the 200 and the 20, if I'm not mistaken. As predicted, prices ranging. Just want to be patient and wait for 15 minutes for the market to open and take that trade. Who knows? It might reverse. Might reverse. I mean, it's right now. It's under VWAP. I am looking to short this when it gets up a little bit higher. I don't want to go up higher. I also want to look at my RSI settings. So if I want to take a short, I'll try to pick it up here. Try to pick it up here. I just want to revise my trading strategy today. Too short below VWAP, 200 EMA, and pin it with the RSI. So right now, VWAP is below, so let's get the sheet worked out here. Get the sheet. We had news at 7:30. It was a jobless claim. So you see, there was that big movement just because of that. I try to pay attention to those big movements. 10 minutes to open. Let's see if I'm going to put in a trade. Looks like it's heading downward. It's going to put in one short.
Order filled.
Let's see where that takes me. Seems to be breaking towards the lower side pretty well, so I'm going to keep this, keep the short.
Order filled.
See if it gets back up. Right there at the 90s, 890s is where I want to put an entry. Not for this account. I'm going to wait a little bit longer. Get that really nice trade set up. About 8 minutes to open. It's it's the time when people are putting in the orders, and they're it's about a rip. So we'll see.
Order filled.
Starting to break lower now.
Order filled.
Didn't quite trust that. I just got out pretty quick. About a couple points. Doesn't mean anything to me because I'm trying to look for that big drop. But definitely want to be patient a little bit. Five minutes to open. Let's see what else I need to do. Below. 200 EMA is also below. Chart. Right. Okay. Few minutes to open. I'm going to put an order in at 890. 890 is what I'm going to put my order. bounce back up pretty quick. It's right there at the 21 EMA on the 1 minute chart. I got my seconds right over here, but you can see that. In a few minutes open, a few minutes till open. It looks like I'm gonna put in a short right here.
Order filled.
Got about 10 points for stop loss, and I'm looking for maybe a drop to the downside after it opens, or at least 10 points. So
Order filled.
like that. We're gonna get back in like the 90s.
Order filled.
So 3 minutes to open. I'm definitely looking to see if I can get that break towards the downside. Not, I'll just exit out pretty early. But I'm just gonna exit out that right now. See if I can get a better price. Couple minutes till open. It's definitely going to do something. So we'll see what it does. Might not do anything actually. Especially when it's in this range. I mean, there's not much you can do.
Order filled. Order filled.
And I got stopped out of that one. So we're just gonna wait for that to end. It's definitely still ranging. So for my live account, I'm going to wait a little bit longer. Looks like market's moving. Let's unlock. Looking into place a short trade. Move. 1 short one right here. See if we get that break. $10 points, 20 points. See if it gets that really nasty, really big drop. I'm just gonna quick close for that real quick. That's a quick 10-point scalp, about $100. See if I can fetch that up again. Put in another NQ for the break. See what we get. It's all the way down here. Re-enter. Re-enter right here at the 80s. Looks bullish. Looks like it's buyers are fighting to get in. I'm about break even now. See if it comes back down for a drop. Just one NQ for now. It's reversing. That's not what I like to see. Hopefully this doesn't take too long and it can drop quicker, but you never know what's going to happen. And it looks pretty bullish. It's right there at the 200. So I'm going to exit out this one. Definitely exiting out that one too. I'm gonna wait. VWAP back again. Let's see if it breaks up towards the upside or what. Here's where I want to start thinking about taking another trade. The 900s, good even number. Just want to see if it's a bullish breakout or a false breakout. 15-minute chart looks bullish, but under VWAP is very, gotta be very careful at the VWAP. So get the VWAP touch. Thinking about going short again, unless. Going short. See if it holds or if it drops. Let's get scalp that real quick. See if it gets lower, and then I'll take another short. Or it might be a bullish breakout. Well, let's see. It's still in range, so looks bearish, man. Looks super bearish. Looks like the buyers are trying to just clear this zone. Here's a second touch in my zone. We get a bullish breakout. A bullish breakout. I cannot be sure. There it goes, tackling 50% of this zone. So I'm gonna go long. I think I'm gonna switch paces and go long at 900 if it retraces back over here. And I'm gonna target the 950s up here. All right, here's a retracement back. So I want to look to get in a long, get filled in maybe around the 900s or here's fine. I didn't really get a good fill, but maybe I should have done a limit order on that one. It's hovering right there at the VWAP. Let's see if there's a bullish breakout. Looks, I mean, signs are bullish. Signs are bullish. Is it still in range? It's still in range. Let's exit out of here. Another VWAP touch. Let's see if it breaks out bullish or drops down. I'll put an order in at the 900 for bullish order. Tighten up my stop loss. It's about 20-point stop loss. Shooting for the 50s, 50 points. It's not giving, man. What do you want to do? See if we get a breakout. It is struggling. It is struggling. Try to get that big capture if we can get it. Just holding this one. The 90s, 900s. Still trying to target 50 points on this one. We can just break. Not getting that clean break. I think it just see if it just rebounds. Oh. Still holding, still holding. Just want to see if we can get that break. Make a new high towards the upside. And it's not. There we go, guys. I got stopped out. That's the end of the day for me. No, it sucks, right? There's always tomorrow. That was my trade. We didn't get a large movement. Just want to see if it was going to break out or not. You know, if it was going to break out, if I held a little bit longer, it would have been good. And it did. Looks like it's gonna. Oh yeah, it's definitely gonna. Well, now I know. I mean, that 50 points was there. 50 points looks like it's gonna be there. Just took a little bit longer than I anticipated. Oh, this rangy market, super choppy in the morning. Probably because of the jobless claims. But we'll keep going tomorrow and see what we can do.